What is happening, crypto crew? Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin, your ultimate source for the most explosive news in the digital asset space. The market is moving faster than a lightning bolt, and if you're not plugged in, you're missing out on the ride of a lifetime. Today, we've got a lineup that's going to blow your mind. Bitcoin's price is doing something wild. Tether is dropping jaws with its latest moves, while watchers are sounding the alarm with some insane predictions, and we're diving deep into how businesses are rethinking everything. This is not just news. This is the future unfolding before your eyes, and you need to be here for it. Stick around, because you're about to get the inside scoop that everyone will be talking about. First up, Bitcoin's price is showing a dramatic resurgence, and we're breaking down exactly what's driving this shift in market paradigms and what it means for you. Then, we're diving into Tether's strategic plays. Forget the rumors, we've got the real story behind their Bitcoin strategy and how they're navigating the market with precision. Plus, get ready for some jaw-dropping predictions from the big players. Finally, we'll explore how major corporations are looking at Bitcoin for Treasury Management and what best practices you need to know. This is not to be missed. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Bitcoin's price surge signals a market paradigm shift. Get ready, because Bitcoin is staging a stunning comeback, leaving traders on the edge of their seats. Its powerful recovery from the critical $109,000 support level isn't just a market fluctuation. It's a clear signal of shifting sentiment and the immense psychological impact of these price points. Understanding these movements is absolutely key in today's volatile crypto landscape. The spotlight is on short-term holders, those with Bitcoin for under 155 days, as they wield significant influence. When the price dipped below $111,500, fears of a correction intensified, especially considering that these holders control a substantial 8.8% of Bitcoin's total supply. Their potential reactions to market shifts are a critical factor, making the SDH realized price a vital benchmark for navigating complex support and resistance zones. This surge follows a period of intense volatility, including nearly $196 million in liquidations as Bitcoin flirted with the $107,000 mark. This instability highlighted the fragile balance in crypto markets, with selling pressure amplifying fears of deeper downturns. However, hope remains. Analysts are now closely watching the $111,500 to $113,000 zone. If Bitcoin can reclaim and hold this area, a rally towards $116,000, could be on the horizon. Failure to do so, however, could send it back to critical support levels, underscoring the need for constant vigilance. Adding another layer to this narrative is the movement of institutional investors, with significant rotations observed from Bitcoin to altcoins like Ethereum. This, coupled with cautious profit-taking by short-term holders, signals a potential pivot in institutional focus and demands a deeper understanding of evolving trading strategies. Don't blink, because the market dynamics are changing by the second. Next up, we're uncovering the truth behind Tether's surprising Bitcoin strategy. Tether's Bitcoin strategy, rumors versus reality. In the fast-paced world of crypto, where speculation runs rampant, Tether remains a pillar of stability. Recently, whispers suggested CEO Paolo Ardoino was shifting focus from Bitcoin to gold, but the real story is far more strategic. This isn't just about speculation, it's about Tether's massive Bitcoin reserves. As of early 2025, they held over 100,521 BTC, valued at around $11.17 billion. This strategic blend of Bitcoin and safer assets like gold positions Tether as a key player in maintaining market stability. Contrary to reports from analyst Clive Thompson, which claimed a significant drop in Bitcoin holdings from Q1 to Q2, Ardoino clarified the situation. The movement of 19,800 BTC wasn't a sale, but a reallocation to Tether's XXI initiative, a crucial detail often missed in the noise. Samson Moe of Jan 3 further explained that when factoring in the XXI initiative, Tether actually saw a net increase of 4,624 BTC by the end of Q2 2025. This distinction is vital. What initially looked like a reduction was actually a calculated strategic move, reinforcing Tether's long-term vision. Their commitment extends beyond Bitcoin, with ongoing investments in secure assets and a recent $200 million allocation to gold mining projects. This diversification strategy challenges the perception of crypto as purely volatile and positions Tether as a forward-thinking entity. Furthermore, Tether's transparency in revealing its asset allocation and confronting rumors builds crucial investor confidence, a necessity in today's evolving regulatory and market climate. For businesses and investors alike, Tether's balanced approach underscores the importance of a diversified financial strategy merging digital and traditional assets. But is Tether's strategic brilliance enough to predict Bitcoin's next big move? Get ready for some astonishing predictions from the biggest players in the game. Whale Watch, $190,000 Bitcoin target this December. Prepare for liftoff. The biggest players in the Bitcoin market, the whales, are signaling an unprecedented rally that could catapult Bitcoin to a staggering $190,000 by December. This isn't just a price prediction. It's a massive wave of bullish sentiment from those holding significant amounts of Bitcoin. A jump to $190,000 would shatter all previous records and mark a historic moment for the cryptocurrency. However, before you get too excited, there's a crucial warning. While whales anticipate this massive surge, one analyst is sounding the alarm about potential dangers lurking just beneath the surface. The market is a complex ecosystem, and what looks like a clear path to the moon could have hidden pitfalls. This divergence in sentiment between the whale's aggressive optimism and the analyst's cautionary note highlights the inherent risks and rewards in the crypto space. Understanding both sides of this coin is essential for anyone navigating these volatile waters. Will Bitcoin hit these record highs, or is danger on the horizon? Next, we're diving into how major businesses are viewing Bitcoin's role in their financial strategies. Tether's $8.61 billion Bitcoin stash, a new era for corporate treasury. Hold on to your hats. Tether has confirmed a colossal $8.61 billion parked in Bitcoin, and this move is forcing businesses everywhere to rethink their treasury management strategies. This isn't just about Tether holding Bitcoin. It's about the potential for Bitcoin to become a standard, stable asset for corporations. Tether's massive holdings not only bolster its own liquidity and investor confidence, but also position Bitcoin as a serious contender in the corporate finance world. However, this concentration also carries risks. A large-scale sell-off from Tether could destabilize the market. The looming EU Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, MiCA, adds another layer of complexity. Businesses looking to integrate Bitcoin into their strategies will need to navigate stringent licensing, reporting, and risk management obligations, demanding careful planning and compliance. To manage Bitcoin's inherent volatility, several best practices are emerging. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Hedging against price drops using financial instruments can mitigate risk. A long-term perspective, utilizing strategies like dollar-cost averaging, can smooth out price swings. Establishing strict trading guidelines to avoid panic selling is crucial, as is staying ahead of regulatory changes and macroeconomic factors. Smart capital raising and balancing treasuries with stable coins or other digital assets are also vital components. Tether's bold strategy is more than just a financial statement. It's a catalyst for adaptation in an evolving financial landscape, highlighting both the immense potential and the critical challenges of integrating Bitcoin into corporate treasuries. This is just the tip of the iceberg for how crypto is changing business. Stay tuned as we wrap up today's explosive news. And that's a wrap on another electrifying Bitcoin bulletin. We've seen Bitcoin's price surge, signaling a major market shift. We've uncovered the truth behind Tether's strategic Bitcoin reserves, defying the rumors. We've heard the jaw-dropping predictions from whales aiming for $190,000, alongside analyst warnings. And we've explored how businesses are rethinking Treasury management with Bitcoin's massive $8.61 billion presence. Don't miss out on any of these critical updates. Hit that like button if you found this valuable, smash subscribe for more, ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop, and tell us your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social media platforms for real-time updates. We'll see you in the next one.